Hey guys, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do some mini Mondays and then we're going to get into my monthly binder. So please, I would love it if you'd stick around. Alright, so I have my mini Mondays binder here. This is from Candy as Stuff and Budgets. And then we have 8 mini challenges in here I'm going to take out. Alright, so I have 50 ones and then 3 spicy 5s. We're just going to put them in there. And I'm going to roll a D4 die. So if I get an even number, I'm going to do $2, 2 bills, and then an odd number, I'm going to do 1. And I ended off here last time, so we're going to start here. So I decided that I was going to start back to crooked. There we go. Sorry about that. So I decided I was going to start back making some videos. Okay. And then we had some family come visit. So hopefully we will be able to get onto a good filming schedule. So I've been doing cash stuffing for quite a while, on and off. Oh my goodness. I've been following the Budget Mom Budget by Paycheck for a couple years now. But I haven't really been making any videos. I did try at one point and then, you know, life happened and I couldn't continue with that, which is okay. I am married. I do have children. We have 4 girls. What is that one? I have to bring this little one. Sorry, it is a little difficult to talk and concentrate at the same time, but I'm sure I will get used to it. I do also have an Etsy store, so you can find this lovely dice tower. I don't have any of these dashboards, but if you would like some of them, just message me. And I think I lost my place, but I'm not sure. I am up early today because my dog decided that he wanted to make all kinds of a ruckus at 3:30 in the morning, so that's fun. So it's about 4:30. So I'm going to try to film this quickly before I have to get ready for work. So I'm going to move my pen or my paperclip to here because that's where we left off. I'll move my dice tower to the side. And then I'm going to get my buyback money. Get my life situated here. I do have a different tripod on order, so hopefully that one will work better than this current one because it keeps moving. So right now I do have 8 challenges in here. I'm thinking of possibly downsizing that back to 6, but we'll see. Alright, so this one is from Moxie Designs and we only owe $2, but this one got $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And this should have saved us $20. I wanted to start filming in September, but start a fresh new month, but I decided to just go ahead and do it now. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is a completed challenge. I put that off to the side. And so I have $3 left. I do have some challenges in the front of my binder here. I think we will go with, we'll start a September one. This is from Norella's Budgets. And we will do each $1. I also do have a Ko-fi. There's not much on there just yet, but I am trying. With a full-time job and 4 children, it's a little difficult, but you know. And then challenge number 2, we have this August challenge from Boss Babe Budgets, and this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got the spicy 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to exchange that out for 10. I did not do that right. As I said, I had 12, right? I don't know. I'm sure I'll figure it out. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So then we only have our palm trees left. So I made those $1. So hopefully we'll be able to finish this one soon. So this one has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, and 25. We'll go ahead and swap that out. I think we might have one more challenge that we could possibly finish today. So for my minis, I basically I'm going to use those to infuse into my bigger challenges that are in my bigger binders. So I have this Christmas in July. This was one that I made up, but I never ended up posting it anywhere. And my battery's gonna die. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got $9 here. Okay. So we'll go ahead and mark off 9. 9. And we will take a 1 and a 10. So right now we have $12 total in this one. We should hopefully be able to finish that one next week. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get this done on this battery. Hopefully it will last, because I don't know where the charger to this camera is either. Alright, and this one is from Buttercup Budgets. It is from an April. But, you know, we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. So, let's see. We have 2, 4, 6, 7. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's go just make these 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Oh, that's perfect. So altogether, this challenge has saved us. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Perfect. $32. I'll cash condense that when we are done so I can try to get through this portion. So we have number 5. This one is also from Buttercup Budgets. This is June. So 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's go ahead and make each one 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. So that one is almost done. That one we should be able to get that one done next week. There's cash condense again. And then we have challenge number 6. And this one is from Budgeting with Lisa. Most of these I got off all of their Ko-fis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will be close to finishing this one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we just need $2 more for this one. I haven't had any rollovers yet, so this one has saved us $5, $10, $11, $12, and $13. And we're almost done. So number 7 is, this is going to be my 30 envelope challenge helper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. So 5 and 6. And I have these in my Etsy as well. They come with a 30, 50, 52, and 100 envelope challenge helpers. So it can help get you your bigger numbers and smaller increments. Alright, and our last one, number 8, is another one from me. I'm not sure if I've added this to my Ko-fi yet or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and this one has saved us $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 so far. Alright, and since I don't have, we'll get a challenge in this one. Let's see. I think we'll go ahead and do the other September from Boss Babe Budgets. We'll get that one started next week. Okay, so I found my phone mount. So we did finish 2 challenges from our minis. So I'll put those off to the side. We're gonna do our monthly. So I have $50 for our monthlies. Most of these are now September challenges because we finished August. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So I have the Q3, just make sure you're praying, Q3 group play with Stephanie at Overthinking and Budgeting, and Crystal from Divine Savings Co. So this is the September. So we'll go ahead and get my dice tower back out. And I'll just go ahead and use that little dice. I'll just use the D4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 3. And then a 1. So that's 4. Probably go. And then another one is 2 is 6. 3, 1, 2, 3. So I assume that is a roll and save. So 3. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we'll go one more time just to try. And okay, 1, 2, 3. So that is 11. And then we have our September challenge from Kimmy's Corner. She has an entire year of these challenges in her Ko-fi. So we'll go ahead and do the 4, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do 10. And that was probably not the best idea. I brought a 20 for some reason. I think I can make change. So then she also had this in the same listing on her Ko-fi. This one is a roll and save. So we'll go ahead to 6. And a 4 is 10. So I do think So we'll go ahead and just swap this. So that way we can do 10 for here and call it good. And then we have the September challenge from April's Fresh Start. We'll go ahead and do, since I don't have any 5s, we'll just do we'll do the 3. That way, and then next time I know to bring different denominations for that. This one here is from Ali Bear Budgets. I haven't really had much to put into that one yet. So let's see what we have. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can't do anything there. Oh, we can go ahead. We'll just throw it all in here. So we have 16, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then 16. Perfect. Since this one is a big saver, let's see what we have. 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. All right. So 46, that's about halfway. That saves $84. All right, and that will be it for our monthlies. Okay, my alarm went off, so that means we got to be about done. So I'm going to save $1 for my completed minis. I don't save $1 for every mini anymore because that just became a lot. So, and then at the end of the year, we will count that up and see what we're gonna do with it. So we have these 2 challenges here that are finished. And then I will have everything linked down below, all the creators that I used. Then if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.